Sometimes there's laxity. We have also had a discussion with our in charge here, commander.
Nago tiganana yubono ababwatani bechisemi aoni kubono bali kanidie kerengerero gyeserekali elibona abantu konyara kureberengere byabo igoro yomurobelyo OCBC goseno chikonyara kogendera gosegotugutero isiko kolengane birengerero byaba Kenya omurobeli no chikoligererwa byekera serikali yabekire mirobele isaine na gachole committee seka task force yera chikosangire birengerero kurwasaba Kenya igoro yomurobelyo OCBC ekera yogendere tubone kyombe kemo kemanyakanite buna Kenya Publishers Association gekora na kialie kamau nigo kolengana barobate birebuna CBC no murobelyo buyakolende nigo ganeti okobwaterana.
In a transition, and we welcome the new task force which is going to be put in place, and as publishers we are ready to give our input to ensure that our children get the best education to build their future.
Gusii is perhaps the best curriculum in this part of the world, and we know that it will prepare the learners for the challenges that inform the 21st century, and it is the road towards the first world. The country was very ripe for CBC, and the publishers welcome and resonate with the CBC. It helps in terms of critical thinking, producing learners who are able to think critically, learners who are able to be creative and innovative.
And we look forward to work with KPA to ensure that we become partners